Let's make the pink drink, not the one from Starbucks. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the pink drink, not the one from Starbucks. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Creation of the pink drink, not the one from Starbucks, goes jointly to Jay the bartender and my friend Bart Brubaker. Bart was attending the Burning Man Festival in Black Rock City, Nevada. For those of you who don't know what Burning Man is, maybe I should describe it a little bit. I don't know how to encapsulate it, so I had ChatGPT do it for me. Let me get my notes. Here's what ChatGPT said. Burning Man is an annual art and cultural festival centered around radical self-expression, community, and temporary art installations. The festival culminates in the burning of the man, a large wooden sculpture which symbolizes impermanence and creativity. Tell me how I did. Bart went to Burning Man in 2013. He saw a friend of his carrying a drink, and he said, "That looks delicious. Where did you get it?" And they told him, "Go to the Golden Café, talk to Jay the bartender." So Bart did, and he talked to Jay the bartender. And Jay said, "I don't know, I kind of threw stuff together. Here's what was in it." And he gave him a list of ingredients. But they couldn't quite recreate exactly what that was. So Bart went on a 2-year quest to recreate the pink drink that he initially had at the Burning Man Festival. So Jay the bartender is given credit for the ingredients and the initial inspiration. Bart is given credit for finalizing the recipe and giving it the name the pink drink. A note on the spirits. This is a split spirit cocktail, rum and vodka. I asked Bart if I could substitute rum instead of the vodka, and it almost broke his heart. He went through 2 years to find the right combination of ingredients to recreate the experience he had at Burning Man, so I don't want to cause him any undue pain, so we're going to use vodka today instead of substituting a rum. Bart described it to me as the darkest of rums, the lightest of vodkas, the cranberriest of cranberry juices, and the nuttiest of coconut waters. Or something like that. The official rum for this drink, then, is Goslings Black Seal Rum. The official vodka for it is Grey Goose. I don't have any Grey Goose vodka, so I asked Bart if I could substitute what I did have, which was Ida Graves, and he said, "Yeah, go ahead. Grey Goose is better." Okay, so if you have a Grey Goose, use the Grey Goose. If you have something else and want to sub, okay, but don't tell Bart. To make this drink, we are going to start with a cranberry juice, ocean spray, obviously, 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Coconut water, 1.5 ounces of coconut water of your choice, though the official coconut water is Vita Coco. But I say, do what you want. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. One ounce of your vodka, if you must. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. I am going to specify single straining this because the very first pink drink was created as a slushy, so it deserves a little bit of water. So single strain into your glass. Set your equipment aside. And that is it. The pink drink, not from Starbucks. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Why use vodka when you can use a white rum and it'll taste better? Let me know in the comments down below. Hashtag white rum is better than vodka. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, do those sorts of things. Finally, if you made it this far and you like what I'm doing, give me a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.